Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show you guys my everyday makeup look for acne prone skin, also for acne scars. I was very hesitant about making this video at first because I feel like I was going to get a lot of negative comments and I feel like people have a lot to say. But at the same time, I feel like I'm very secure with the way I look. I'm very secure within myself. So when I post it, at the end of the day, we're all human. Everybody has insecurities. Everybody has flaws. Nobody's 110% perfect. So I felt like, why not come on here and show what I do? So this is going to be my everyday makeup look. It's very simple, maybe 5 to 10 minutes long. Just something simple. I don't like putting a whole full face on. I like to let my skin breathe throughout the week. I do this maybe 3 to 4 times a week. I don't wear makeup every single day. Like I said, I like to make my face breathe. So if you want to see how to get this look, just keep on watching. So the first thing I like to do is spray my face. I'm going to use the Prep and Prime Fix Plus from MAC. And then what I like to do next is use my NARS. This is in the color Custard. Their concealer. I'm just gonna be using this little mirror because I can't really see. My mirror's all the way back there. So I just like to put it all over my acne scarring. If you have active breakouts, I don't advise you put the stick right on top of your acne. I advise you to put it on the back of your hand and take a brush and actually apply it so that way you don't contaminate the whole tube. But since it's just scarring right now, it's okay. This is just something that works for me. I know everybody's routine is a little different. Now what I like to do is I like to take one of these flat brushes. They look like this. And I kind of like to just blend it out. Kind of like in a patting motion. What I like to do is just take a little bit of that concealer and put it underneath my eyes. And let's just blend that out with a beauty blender. Now for my eyebrows, I like to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the color Ash Brown. And the brush that I'm going to use is from Sephora. It's the 22 brush, I believe. That's how it looks. And I'm going to use a spoolie and kind of just brush my eyebrows a little bit. I like to take just very little. Just fill in the very ends. I kind of like to just fill in where I think I need a little bit of extra touch up. I'm just gonna fill it in very lightly. You guys can see the difference, but I kept it very, very natural and very light. Kind of like to just brush up the front a little bit, make sure it's good. Just gonna do the other eye. So now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of setting powder. The setting powder that I'm gonna be using is the Mercier translucent setting powder. I'm just gonna use a little bit of that just to set underneath my eyes. I'm just gonna take a fluffy brush. This one's just from BH Cosmetics. And I like to just wipe it off. So for eyes, normally I like to just use mascara. And then mascara I like to use is the Better Than Sex, or I like to use the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes. But today I think I'm gonna use the Better Than Sex. Okay, so now I like to also take another fluffy brush, Studio Fix Powder Plus Foundation in the color C5. I like to take the powder and I like to just dust it all over my face, very lightly, just so that the concealer and everything blends in, because the concealer is a little bit lighter for my face. So now I'm just gonna contour, and I'm gonna be using this contour I got from ColourPop. I'm just gonna use an angled brush. Holding that mirror is super annoying. So the lashes I'm going to be using is by Velour. The lash glue that I like to use is from Kiss. They're with the Aloe. Looks really disgusting. The shit leaks, it gets stuck to everything, but it works like a charm. So I like to take the lashes on a tweezer. I like to put some glue on there. I'm just gonna let those dry. In the meantime, I'm just gonna add some highlighter. I'm just gonna use some highlighter, and I'm gonna use it from the Profusion Cosmetics Contour 1, I guess it is, palette. And I'm gonna use Visionary. So now for the bottom lashes, I like to use the Lights Camera Lashes by Tarte. I'm gonna put very little on the bottom lashes. So now I just like to spray my face, and I like to use the Urban Decay All Nighter makeup setting spray. I like to put concealer or foundation or anything above my eyes because I kind of like that natural brown kind of look that it gives me when I wear my makeup. And now I'm just going to use a little bit of lip gloss. The lip gloss that I'm going to be using is by Fenty Beauty. It's the Fenty Glow. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. Okay guys, we got to the end of the video. I hope you guys liked and enjoyed, and if you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. Also, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that when I post a new video, you guys can get notified. Until next time, deuces.